People say the internet is all about data. Websites, corporations, governments, WikiLeaks want to know all about you and what you want to buy and who you'd like to kill. Everything on here is trying to get hold of your data. Well, I don't want your data. I want to sell you mine. Here, in my memoir, is over 100,000 words of data about me. With this, you'll be able to predict my spending patterns, guess all my passwords, and even make a decent stab at my PIN. And all for under 20 quid. If you can't turn a profit on that, you've only got yourselves to blame.